All right, everyone, are you ready for the latest and greatest innovation when it comes to Vu Skin, their AM/PM Anti-Aging Arsenal Duo? This is the best price they've ever offered on a duo. This is the first time they've ever put these two together. And why did they do it? Because they want you to have around-the-clock anti-aging treatment targeted for those pesky fine lines and wrinkles, targeted for any of the hyperpigmentation, texture, tone issues that you feel you have. These are the two technologically most advanced products in their entire line. What are they? They are the Vu Skin Retinol Serum and their latest and greatest hit, the Vu Skin C&E Serum with Ferulic acid. This is the only time you're going to see this duo priced at $60. If these two were sold separately, you'd be paying $40 for the serum, $45 for the vitamin C/E Ferulic. That's an $85 value. You're saving $25 off the price by picking them up this way. And there is always a reason why it's done this way. So I want to introduce my guest, the COO of Vu Skin, Chrissie Vujevich. How are you doing, my friend?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Well, I'm on cloud nine, obviously.
I get on cloud nine just listening.
I just feel like, what on earth has happened? How did we deserve this yumminess with this kit? This is amazing. I need everyone to get to know you and your family story a little bit more. I'm gonna tell them what I know, but then I want you to please fill in. This is actually a family business, a family-owned business of skincare that was actually developed lovingly by your father-in-law, Dr. Marian Vujevich, who is a cosmetic surgeon and a board-certified dermatologist who's run a thriving practice in Pittsburgh for over 40 years now. And it was him that decided, you know what, I'm not going to just stamp my name on any old skincare line. I want to have my fingers in the pot. I want to develop it. So is that fairly accurate that he actually had a hand in creating each and every one of these formulas?
Every single drop.
Wow. Amazing.
Right? And I like the way that you say that, but he wasn't just going to stamp his name. We proudly keep his name on every product.
Yeah. Well, and I think it gives us confidence too. If we're not familiar with the story or the name, you're thinking, okay, dermatologist formulated, right?
That's right.
Clinically tested ingredients. And you have clients that just rave about these. You can check at the VuSkinSystems.com website to see and read what real clients are saying about these products.
And I love hearing every single one of them.
Okay, well, I will say this too. You were instrumental in putting this kit together.
Yes.
Am I fair? Is it accurate in me saying this is not going to last forever, this duo at this price?
This is not going to last forever. But when I come to see you, I have to offer something really special.
All right, good. I'll take that credit. All right. So you put together the #1 bestseller, which is the retinol serum. So let's talk about why you decided to put together an AM/PM. You're calling this your anti-aging armor duo.
That's right.
So let's start with the retinol serum. Why did you make this part of this duo?
So first of all, our skin doesn't turn off, right? Oh. So we need something AM/PM to fight the fine lines, the wrinkles, the elasticity, the overall skin tone, the dark spots. Because they're not turning off, right?
No, not at all. I mean, I wish. I wish. But
we're going to slow them down.
That's right. That's right. Slow them down. Be preventative. So for anyone at home who is watching and interested, because this value is slightly insane, it's almost too good to be true, I want them to understand that there is no decrease. There's a decrease in the price, but not a decrease in the quality. In fact, what Chrissie is about to share with you when it comes to the retinol serum in particular is huge. And while we take a look at the before and after of the very typical laugh lines, mouth lines, can you explain precisely what makes your retinol serum so impactful?
I can, I will, and I love doing it. Right? Okay, so what you're looking at here are those fine lines, wrinkles. Everybody should be using a retinol. But here's the problem. A lot of people can't because they've tried. And they get a little redness, irritation, flaking. Well, so who do you ask? A board-certified dermatologist.
That's right.
So we are going to slow the delivery down to a 7-hour keep the wheels rolling, keep it turning, right?
I love that. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And so once we've done that, we can increase an average retinol 5 times the amount because we're taking away the harsh side effects.
Wow. Okay. Oh, wait. So 5 times more retinol than the average retinol serum in another line
That's
is in
right.
here.
Right.
And yet, it's a slower release delivery so that even people who in the past were not able to use retinol can now use this retinol?
Yes. This is like telling somebody, we're not just going to do a shot.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, exactly.
But we're going to get there.
We're going to get there.
Over 7 hours.
And that's amazing. So it's in the delivery system. This is also infused with and formulated with botanicals for soothing. So for anyone out there who's saying, well, why am I being left out? I want anti-aging products. I know retinol is the gold standard, but my skin's not playing well with other versions. This one is for you. So now this is the AM PM duo. Mm-hmm. What one is this one, the AM or the PM? When do you use this?
So I like the retinol and doctor likes the retinol in the evening. Okay. Because your skin does most of its repair work while you're sleeping. Mm-hmm. See, it doesn't turn off. Right. But if you want to use it in the AM, that's okay too. But don't forget that sun can make your skin a little irritated with any retinol. Okay. Right. A little more sensitive. A little more sensitive. Yes. So if you're going to use it in the AM, make sure you're putting on a sunscreen of sorts. And honestly, with this duo, you don't even need to use this in the AM. Let this do that work at night when your skin is in the ultimate repair mode. Mm-hmm. And then when you wake up in the morning and you're thinking, well, again, that aging process did not shut off. What do I do? What's one to do? In the daytime, you're going to reach for your new best friend, which is, and no, it's not Chrissie, although she's pretty close. It is the C&E serum with ferulic acid. Yes, I'm going to repeat that because some of you have heard this exact title and seen it on packaging that's different than this in the past. It's C&E serum with ferulic. Mm-hmm. So why this particular product in what you're calling your anti-aging armor? So how does this help with our aging concerns? Okay, so great question. Let me see if I can simply explain this, okay? So when you wake up in the morning, we want to invigorate our skin, right? So we are working on skin tone, fine lines, wrinkles, elasticity, right? Oh, yeah. But with this vitamin C and E, I always like to think of it as when you wake up in the morning, we're all a little groggy. Well, our skin is too. So instead of a cup of coffee, let's do a shot of espresso. Exactly. All right. And this one is a serum form. Serum form. It's supposed to be that amber color, correct? Yes. Okay. So that doesn't mean... So all like ingredients are not of like quality. Okay. Right? So this is above average vitamin C quality. And so vitamin C, we're going to show you a before and after of really the site of a cheek right here. Yes. So I see quite a bit of age spots that are happening on that left side. Okay, very typical. And what does this help do then? So those are sunspots, age spots, sun damage is what they are, right? We need to break those up. Get your overall skin tone healthy looking and even it out. We need to break up, as doctor would say, their melasma. Let's break those up. Yes. Consistent use with this. You guys, listen, this is huge. They've never done this before on Vu Skin. If you want to go to VuSkinSystems.com, you can take advantage of this value. I do not know how long they're going to hang on to this duo at this price, but for those of you who are shopping with us today, this is $60. Now, typically, if you were to pick these up separately, it's an $85 value, which, by the way, is already amazing. It really is. $40, $45. But for those watching, this duo, your AM/PM anti-aging armor duo, is $60. So that's 24/7 anti-aging solution for your skin. And really anyone and everyone can take advantage of using these, right? Even sensitive skin tone types, as we talked about with the retinol. And obviously you want your bevy and an antioxidant boost with the CE ferulic. So men and women and different skin types can take advantage? Absolutely. Amazing. The aging process is not selective. Exactly. Right? So it's so important to take care of your skin. And so that being said, if I'm brand new to Vu and I'm willing to give this a try, would I just incorporate these with the moisturizer that I currently use, et cetera, and I can just
incorporate these with whatever regimen I'm using?
So whatever you're using and you like,
Yeah.
you continue that regimen.
Okay.
We do have products for any stage of life, all
Mhm.
different skin tones, textures. But if you're just going to walk in to accept the invitation to Vu,
Yes.
continue to use what you use. And here's what I love. When people start to say, and patients and customers tell us all the time, they get looked at, what are you doing different? A little
Exactly.
something.
Yes.
They know what it is.
That's right. It's like you soften that aging process, you brighten your skin, you add that boost of hydration, you get that free radical protection, all of that. 2 products, but again, a limited time offering for the AM/PM Anti-Aging Armor Duo from Vu Skin. So be sure to go to their website at VuSkinSystems.com and add this to your cart. Chrissie, thank you so much
Patty,
for doing
thank you
this
so
today.
much. I had a
Enjoy.
blast.